First law is the law of inertia. This law states that an object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion, unless an unbalanced force acts on it. Livy's experiment is she's going to pull the plate away, and the egg is going to go into the cup full of water. The cup is the unbalanced force that stops the egg from moving any further.
For example, Olivia's going to fly a helicopter into the wall and it's going to fall down.
This shows inertia because once it hits the wall and falls down, it will hit an unbalanced force, and the unbalanced force in this case is the ground. That was our example of the first law, inertia.
Okay, so we're doing Newton's first law. An object in motion stays in motion unless an unbalanced force acts upon it, and the other way around, an object at rest stays at rest unless an unbalanced force acts upon it. So for this experiment, Olivia has a tennis ball, and she set up this line of Jenga blocks like that. She'll roll it, and it'll hit the Jenga blocks, and the Jenga blocks will fall. This is an example of both parts of the law because the ball is being stopped, and the Jenga blocks are being stopped by the ball. So that was our first experiment. For this experiment, Avery will be on her penny board, and Taylor will push her. Taylor pushed her, which is the unbalanced force, because Avery was at rest, and then Lily stops her, and so she's the object in motion that stays in motion, and then becomes at rest. So again, Taylor will push her, and this will be the same example as last time. Motion, rest, motion.
We're doing F equals ma, which is force equals mass times acceleration. And what we're doing is we're going to kick a lighter soccer ball and a heavier soccer ball. And this is the lighter soccer ball that Bobby's going to kick, and this is the heavier soccer ball that Colin's going to kick. And they're both going to kick it with the same force. And the lighter soccer ball is going to go farther because it has less mass. And this ball is not going to go as far because it has more mass. Doing for the second part of the second law is Bobby's going to get into the wagon and Mason's going to pull him. And he is going to be less mass than when we put Luke in, because when Bobby gets in, he doesn't weigh as much as when they put Luke in the wagon. And now we're going to put Luke into the wagon. It's going to be harder to pull because it's more mass.
We'll be demonstrating law 2. He will be hitting, or force equals mass times acceleration. He will be hitting a wiffle ball and a golf ball. My prediction is that the wiffle ball will go farther. Because it has less mass.
Adam and Sam are going to roll a ball. Sam is going to roll a tennis ball. Adam is going to roll a basketball. And the tennis ball should go farther because it has less mass if they roll it at the same time.
states that forces always occur in equal and opposite pairs. So with this experiment, Jake is going to be kicking the soccer ball, which is the action, and the reaction is it's going to keep going until it hits something. And in this case, it hit the wall, which is the object that stopped.
In our second experiment, we are going to be human dominoes.
So, the action was all of us bumping into each other. And the reaction, since I'm at the end, I follow Newton's third law of action. The action's going to be Michael's going to pour the vinegar in the volcano, and then it's going to go and it's going to explode up, and then whatever goes up must come down.
We are doing Isaac Newton's third law, and the action will be that Ethan shoots the gun, and the reaction is it hits the wall.